Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen with the link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for the Ramen Raiders Bottom 10 Instant Noodles of All Time 2025 edition. So I should start out with saying, you might like one of these varieties. I, however, do not. I've tried over 5,000 varieties of instant noodles. I know what I like. I don't know what you like. But if you like any of these, if you want to hang out and have some with me, it's not happening. I absolutely detest these. I find these absolutely all to be horrible, subpar, not good. So with that, let's get started. In at number 10, we've got Panda Signature with their chili lime flavor cup. This was made in China for the US market, and during the pandemic, all of a sudden nobody could find a variety that was commonly available over at Walmart, and then they contracted with this company to make this filth. It's too bad too, because I was really excited when I found it, but it seems that most people were very, very unhappy with this, and as was I. The noodle was just not right. And the broth, so have you ever stayed in a motel room and you turn on the AC because it's a hot day, and all of a sudden you get this smell that comes out, and it kind of smells like cigarettes and just a lot of old funky pet dander dust or something like that? That's kind of what this tastes like. It's wrong. It's really bad. And you know, I really, as with all these varieties, I'd love to try them again and find that I absolutely love them. This one, that's not going to happen. But you never know. These guys might come out with Panda Signature that's off the hook. So we'll see. But for now, no. In at number 9, we've got That's Asia with Pad Thai noodles with sauce. This one had a really mushy kind of noodle, and the combo of really acidic and sickeningly sweet was absolutely nasty. This ain't Asia. I don't know what this is, but it really, I was very put off by this one. In at number 8, a dollar store find. This is Neostar's Ramen Delight Savory Shrimp flavor for the US. This one had a very lackluster noodle, but the saltiness level on it was so high that it was just unpalatable. I believe it called for, like, say, 300 mils of water, whereas maybe 500 or 600 might have been a little better. Not that it would have fit in the bowl. But, yeah, way too salty. Whoa, whoa, whoa. In at number 7, we got one from Japan. This is Marushans Barayuma Goboten Udon from Japan. This is the one that I always say every year. It's like, this tastes like worms and dirt. It's very earthy. It's just not right. It's, yeah, no. In at number 6, we have Dr. McDougall's with their vegan Pad Thai noodle soup. Another one for the US. Noticing a pattern here. Anyways, this one, it has little flat egg noodle style pieces of rice noodle, which is fine. The broth is very thin, very flavorless. It's just funky. And then it's got little Swiss Miss marshmallow sized bits of tofu. It misses the mark in so many ways, and what I think most people would think Pad Thai noodle being, if you're in the United States and you go to a Thai restaurant and get Pad Thai, you're going to get noodles slathered in peanut sauce. This isn't that. And granted, Pad Thai just means Thai noodle. No. It's so confusing to the consumer. I think this is just like a total miss in so many ways. And in at number 5, as an affront to the international community from the United States, this is Simply Asia Classic Singapore Street Curry. This was just like noodles with lemongrass, and No, I mean, I absolutely love Singapore curry, laksa, tons of Singapore varieties just like blow my mind. This was so far removed from that and confusing. I don't know what they were going for with this. I think it's a shame. I think if they reworked this and did it right, it would be really good if it was more true to its name. I'm just going to read this one off my cheat sheet because it's such a long name and I'm never going to get it right. So at number 4, we have Sugakia with their Mendokoro Inosho Kansyu Kara Kara wo Ramen from Japan. Now, this one was kind of a bait and switch for me. So it's got a picture on the package, as you can see, this huge mountain of red stuff. I'm like, cool, maybe that's going to be spicy. Now, so I tried it. I remember in the video when I review it, I tried it before I added this red stuff. And it was really good. It was easily a 5-star. You add this red stuff, I'm sorry, but it all of a sudden goes from something of wonder to a 0-star in like 0 to 60. I mean, it's just like, it has the most rancid, dead fish, rotting fish flavor I've ever tasted. It is so strong. Maybe it's just my palate. I'm guessing that's the deal. I'm sure a lot of people love this one. I mean, I see them pushing it all the time. But for me, without that, absolutely spectacular. With it, it is horrible and not palatable. In number 3 from the US, we have any Chuns with their yakisoba noodle bowl. This one purports having a Hokkien-style noodle. Hokkien-style noodles have egg in them. This does not. It's a mushy noodle with a very sweet, it's like when you have yakisoba. You're expecting that like tamarind and tangy flavor from yakisoba. This doesn't have that. It's just sweet. It's like pouring sugar on noodles. Slimy, no, avoid. In at number 2, we've got omsom noodles. These come in little boxes. They're really neat looking. And the noodle is kind of a broad noodle. Looks a lot like a Taiwanese dry noodle. Unfortunately, the cooking instructions have you cook them so long that they turn to mush. And the flavoring, it's like you're pouring Italian vinaigrette or like Italian salad dressing on them. It tastes like heartburn. They did have one variety. I'm giving like this score to the whole range because I couldn't stand all of them. I think it was like 3 of them tasted like Italian salad dressing / heartburn. And one of them was really bland. I think it was a coconut curry. After I had the first one, I was like, okay, I'm saving that one for last. This has got to be their Hail Mary, right? No, it was bland and disgusting. So I'm sorry, guys, but back to the drawing board, please. And I never thought there'd be one worse than the last one, but now there is. At number 1 on the Ramen Raiders bottom 10 instant noodles of all time, 2025 edition, we have Ajuma Republic with their XL Ramen Bull Spicy Jajang. And this is a huge tray. The idea is that you'll do a mukbang. You'll sit in front of your camera, record it, and you'll eat the whole thing. It's 4 servings, right? It's like 4 little trays, but in this big tray. It's about the size of a cereal box, guys. So it's a lot of it. This tasted almost like it reacted with the styrofoam. It just had some of the worst flavor. It had heat to it, but it was just so haphazard and didn't belong. This was absolutely horrible. And the sheer amount of horrible that was in this one, it was just like, whoa. So, yeah, unfortunately, this one's definitely the worst thing I've ever had. I would never want to taste this again. I will say, just to be nice, they have a hot and spicy one, and that one was really, really good. It had broth, a lot of veg. If you're going to get one of these XL ramens, get the hot and spicy. I really like that one. I wasn't so hot on the kimchi one. That one was, but the hot and spicy, nice stuff. All right, well, you can't win them all, folks. And this one, I didn't like it. But, There will be more instant noodle reviews for you to check out and more top 10s. Yeah, that's the deal. So, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.